So the rating on this app is 4.7 out of 5 stars. And a person that left a review says they already made $60 to $100 already. So the name of this app is This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 3 legit money making apps. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, and sometimes I give away some free money. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped. And please hit that like button. I really appreciate it. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. And also leave a comment down below and let me know if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. Now, before I get into these 3 apps, I want to ask you this. Are you having trouble focusing while you grinding away on your business? Well, I have a solution for that. I had the same problem. I couldn't focus until I started using this right here. And it's called Refresh. And it's by FNX Fit. So all you have to do is just open the package, and it's a little powder, and it's all natural. Just put it in with some water and drink it. It hydrates your body and helps you to focus. And since I've been using this, I've been really focusing on my business, and I've been getting everything done. So if you want to get your focus on, try Refresh. The link is in the description, and once you hit that link, you'll get 15% off on any product at that website. So go ahead and get your focus on today. All right, now let's go ahead and get into these 3 apps. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you the top 3 legit money-making apps. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm in the Apple App Store and I'm at the first app, and I'll tell you the name of the app in a minute. Okay, now this is a receipt app, and what you're going to do is get paid to take pictures of your receipts. And you can go to all these stores and companies, which is Costco, Walgreens, Home Depot, Best Buy, McDonald's, Kroger's, CVS, Walmart. So you can go to any of these stores, and once you buy something, take a picture of a receipt, and you're going to earn some rewards. So you're going to get paid through PayPal or Amazon gift cards. And they keep all the receipts in a secure place, and you can even win some cash using this slot machine that they have in there. So let's go ahead and see how it works. So you take pictures of your receipts from any store, earn receipt hog rewards, that's what they call it, with coins, spins at the virtual slot machine, and sweepstake prizes. Cash out through PayPal and Amazon gift cards. So they have paid out to over $2.5 million. That's a lot of money. So let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.7. That's excellent. And here's one review. I'm not going to read all the reviews because I have 2 more apps to tell you guys about, so I don't want to be taking a long time with this video. So it says here, one review person said, keeps up with your receipts. And this other person says, legit, easy, and fun. So you can read these reviews once you go on the App Store and check this app out. Now, the name of this app is Receipt Hog. Get paid to shop. So go ahead and check out this app. Now let me go ahead and go to the next app. All right, I'm at the next app, and I'm still in the App Store. And the name of this app is Money App Cash and Rewards. So it says here, make money every day. #1 rewards app, get paid fast, complete easy tasks and get paid and get cash. No, and it said real money, no vouchers. So let's just read a little bit about it right quick. It says make money with the #1 rewards app, earn easy cash for doing missions nearby, testing services, taking pictures, mystery shopping, surveys, and store displays. So let's go ahead and see how this works here. So you're going to first you're going to complete tasks to accumulate credit rewards, redeem your credits for cash via PayPal, get paid in 2 to 3 working days. Wow, that's pretty fast. Now let's look at the rating right quick. Out of 5 stars, 4.9. Wow, that's the highest I ever seen a rating on an app. And this person that reviewed the app or left a review on this app says okay, and he said I made like $5 in 2 to 3 days. So I know $5 is not much, but you can get that $5 real quick after doing the little simple tasks they want you to do. All right, if you're interested in making money from this app, just go to Money App in the App Store. Let me go to the third and final app. All right, I'm at the third and final app. So the name of this app is Google Opinion Rewards. And I'm still in the Apple Store. And it says here, your opinions are valuable. Get paid to share them with the Google Opinion Rewards app. And how it works. You answer quick surveys and get paid up to $1 for each completed survey via your PayPal account. Surveys typically take less than 20 seconds. So you're going to get paid $1 to take a 20-second survey. And you know most of these survey apps takes 20 to 30 minutes, and then you only make some sense. So this is really good to only do a survey for 20 seconds and you make $1. I know $1 is not a lot, but just think of how many dollars you can accumulate within 30 minutes, because you can take a lot of surveys in 30 minutes and make a nice chunk of change. So let's just go ahead and scroll down here for the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.7. That is real good. And here's one review. They said they have made around about $60 to $100 from using this app. So that is phenomenal. All right. Now, if you're interested in this app, go to Google Opinion Rewards. And that's in the Google. It's also in the Google Play Store. And like I said, it's in the Apple App Store. Okay, now you know the top 3 legit money-making apps that you can download right now. So go ahead and install those apps and let's start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button and help me get to 50 likes. So all I'm asking is for you guys to hit that like button so I can get up to 50 likes. So everybody that's watching, please hit that like button right now. And please drop a comment down below. It also helps my channel if there's a lot of engagement going on in the comment section. So if you want to help my channel, please drop that comment down below. Also, what I do every month is give away some free money. And what I'm going to do is pick a comment that's in the comment section, and that person is going to win some free money. And what I'm going to use, this website is called YouTube Comment Picker. So it's going to randomly it's called Random YouTube Comment Picker. And it's going to randomly choose a comment, and that person is going to win the free money. I'm going to do it live on the video once I reach 2,500 subscribers. So please watch this video and all my videos from beginning to the end. Like all my videos, make sure you're a subscriber, and you could be the next winner of some free money. Please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help people make money online. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been dropped. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. I'm done. Thank you, Grind family, for checking out this video. Thank you for always supporting a brother. I really appreciate it. And one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch some other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.
This is Rant TV.